I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you've been trying to grow your hair from this to this, and you've tried everything, like you've tried every single thing and nothing's working, honestly, rosemary and cloves water is just for you. I've been spraying this thing on my hair for 10 days, and honestly, by day 7, I had 1 centimeter, like 1 centimeter growth. Now imagine this on the long term. Hello, welcome to my 30 days hair growth challenge. My name is Victoria. I am the founder of Zoe School of Life. Started this 30 days hair growth challenge a few days ago, and I'm so grateful that you're joining us, and I'm so excited because I imagine the hair growth that what you're going to experience. So I started this challenge a few days ago. This is already day 11, and all what you have to do is follow the recipe that is already on my YouTube channel. In this recipe, I show how to make rosemary and cloves water. You can check it out. You can check out even the video of yesterday, because yesterday, day 10, I showed you how to restock on rosemary and cloves water because my stock was almost finished. So I showed you how to do it. You can check back the previous video just to see how I do it, the whole process and everything. So when you have your rosemary and cloves water, you spray it like this twice per day, in the morning and in the evening. Morning when you get out of shower, evening before going to bed, you spray it, and when you're done spraying it, you massage it just like this. And it smells amazing. As I always say, it will make your hair shiny, it will reduce hair fall, it will make your hair grow longer and stronger and healthier. This is like honestly the easiest thing to grow your hair very fast. I don't know who needs to hear this, but if you've been trying to grow your hair from this to this, and you've tried everything, like you've tried every single thing and nothing's working, honestly, rosemary and cloves water is just for you. I've been spraying this thing on my hair for 10 days, and honestly, by day 7, I had 1 centimeter, like 1 centimeter growth. Now imagine this on the long term. So this is just a natural hair recipe, and if you like natural hair recipes that are efficient at helping your hair to grow and helping you to achieve healthy and beautiful hair, you can check out my book, Starting Your Natural Hair Journey from Scratch. I wrote this book for those who want to transition from relaxed natural hair and who do not know how to do that, or those who are already natural hair girlies and who want to know how to care for the natural hair. There are natural hair recipes in there that are going to help you and are going to be so useful for you. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, and if you're joining us for the challenge, please write in the comment section, I'm joining you for the challenge. Also, please share this video with anybody whom you know who wants their hair to grow longer, but they do not know how to grow their hair longer. This is really the easiest challenge ever. You spray it twice per day and your hair is going to grow longer. So please share it with people who want to grow their hair longer. And finally, if you like the content on my channel, please support my channel by subscribing. So thank you so much for subscribing. God bless you and see you soon. Bye bye.